Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to attach documents in your Slack. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Slack software. Or you can just go to your browser and go to Google and search for Slack. From there, just open up slack.com. After that, just log into your account using Google or Apple or just your email address. And after logging in, you'll be here in My Workspace menu. From here, just select any of the workspace, then just give it some time to load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. And after that, just give it 2 seconds, it will load the workspace for you. And after that, what you have to do is just be on the channel in which you want to attach the document in. Now, if it's a link, you can click on this, which will attach a link for you. But if it's a document, what you have to do is click here on the plus button. This is the attach button. From here, just simply select upload from your computer. And after that, you just have to find the file inside your computer. For example, I'm going to upload this PDF. And after that, select on open. And then you can type a message here if you want. And let's say, hello, check this file out. Check this file. And I'll just send this and it will go to this channel. And everybody in this channel will be able to see this file. And there you go. And basically, that is how to attach documents in Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.